prices. Price sensitivity or PS, how much the price of a product impacts the customer's demand or willingness to buy. The price estimate will be very useful in budgeting. If we have no good estimate for price sensitivity, or if the recent historical data more move around a lot, we should get current estimates. There are several means to obtaining data required to make good guesses of price sensitivity. Pricing. What is pricing? Pricing is a process of fixing the value that a manufacturer will receive in the exchange of services and goods. Pricing method is exercised to adjust the cost of the producers offering suitable to both the manufacturer and the customer. The pricing depends on the company's average prices and the buyer's perceived value of an item, as compared to the perceived value of competitors' product. Pricing is a process of fixing the value that a manufacturer will receive in the exchange of service and goods. Scanner data are the data recorded by the retailers when consumers make purchases. A key advantage of scanner data is that it provides well-measured information on prices and quantities at the individual product level. Scanner data include for each article sold in a store on a given day, the quantity of articles sold and the sales price. They are transmitted daily by the retail chain. Data scanning is important for all organizations to support ready access to information and to protect against potential of data loss. Data scanning can also help analyze the file ownership and security permission, catalog sensitive information to improve data protection. Survey data are tools to directly collect feedback from the target audience to understand their characteristics, expectations, and requirements. Question 1. At 25,000, I definitely would not buy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, definitely would buy. Question 2. At 35,000, I definitely would not buy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, definitely would buy. Even if we're not price-sensitive types, most of us prefer to pay as a little as possible. So it wouldn't be surprising if the average score for question 2 was lower than that for question 1. Sell the items can convey information. Some people simply are not interested in the banking service, no matter what the price. Price studies can also be tested using different samples. Some customers will be randomly assigned to fill out survey form A and others will fill out form B. The survey will be identical concept. The price in A will be higher than that, and B, more versions than 2 could be all that 2 could also be used to obtain a finer estimate of demand sensitivity to prices. Price as high as you can. High price points come from that determine customers' willingness to pay. The price right below that sensitive point. Price high for margins, not worrying about the volume. Next, prestige or status pricing. Price high for image appeal. The last is price high due to real quality differences or to rarity. Conjoint analysis. In a conjoint study, customers are shown products with various combination of features and attributes, price being one of them. In other words, Conjoint analysis is a form of statistical analysis that firms use in market research to understand how customers value different components or features of their products or services. It based on the principle that any product can be broken down into a set of attributes that ultimately impact users' perceived value of an item of service. Conjoint analysis is typically conducted via specialized survey that asks consumers to rank the importance of the specific features in question. Analyzing the results allowed the firm to then assign a value to each one. Conjoint analysis works by asking users to directly compare different features, determine how they value each one. When a company understands how its customers value its product or services features, it can use the information to develop its pricing strategy.